In this video, I will show you how to use Copy.AI to write a blog. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on the official website. So what you want to do first is come across to Copy.AI, and if you don't already, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. So as you can see, you've got the option down here to sign up with Google or sign up with email. So if you've not created an account, you want to do that first and then go ahead and log in up here. So once you've logged in, you'll be on a screen like this. So to actually use Copy.AI to write a blog is very easy. What you can do, you can see it's very similar to ChatGPT. So what you can do is come down to here and you can put some prompts in. So you can click the button down here as well to browse some example prompts you can use. But what you can also do, if you come to the left hand side and click onto templates, and what you want to do from here on the left hand side, you can see some further options. If you click onto blog, it's going to give you a template for a blog. So what you want to do is start with write blog intro up here and then click the start new project button down here. So all you want to do is basically go ahead and fill out these boxes. So for example, it says, what is your blog title? So in this tutorial, as an example, I'm going to put 10 most exotic animals. And then basically where it says what is the blog about, you just want to enter what your blog is about. So for example, for this one, I'm going to put write a blog about the 10 most exotic animals. Now you can go into more detail. This is just very brief, just to show you how this works. And the third thing to do is to choose a tone for your blog. So at the moment you can see this set to friendly, and what it's going to do is of course write this blog in a friendly sort of tone, where you can change this. So for example, relaxed, professional, bold, adventurous. You can see we've got a few different options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually change this to adventurous. And once you've gone ahead and filled in those boxes, it's very easy. All you need to do is click the green create content button here. So see what's going to happen. This takes a minute or two for the AI to get to work and create your blog. And you can see this has created it underneath. So if we scroll down, and you can see all the different sections for this blog. So it starts off saying, let us take a look at some of the most exotic animals in the animal kingdom. Pretty much everyone loves animals, especially when they are happy, cute and playful, but some people find the animal kingdom far more interesting than others. So you can see what it's done is wrote this blog, and it's actually divided this up into different sections. So what we can do, we can play about with this. We can, for example, copy and paste this into our document over here. So say for example, I like this bit, I'm just going to press the copy button, come over here and hold Control and press V on my keyboard. You can see that's going to paste that there. So if I press enter, this section, I like this section, so I'm going to copy this, come back here and hold Control and press V to paste that into here. And we can just go through and basically copy and paste the bits we like. If you want to make more, you can come down to the bottom and click the make more button. If there's any sections you don't like at all, of course you can click the remove button. And if you want a similar sort of section, so say for example I like this one and I want more like this, underneath you can see the more like this button, click this, see it's going to say making more, and what it's going to do is make some more kind of sections based upon this initial section here. So you can see after a second we've created some more, and so I wanted to add this one. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, paste it into here. So as you can see, this tool is very good. It's very easy to use, and hopefully now that gives you a better idea on how to use Copy.AI to write a blog. Of course, what you can do, this is for the intro, but if you come back to the templates on the left hand side, you can see we've also got to write a blog outline, or you've got to write a blog section. Now there is actually a blog post wizard which is going to do the full process, so the intro, the outline, the section with a conclusion and things like that, but that's in the pro version of Copy.AI, which is a paid subscription. So that's completely optional if you want to do that, but to be honest, the templates provided are absolutely fine. You'll be able to write a very good compelling blog just using the free templates on Copy.AI. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.